Hey, it's Pam here, and in this week's training I'm going to show you a really fast way to recolor your Canva templates and digital paper to create multiple digital products, plus a simple way to create borders with your digital paper. And if you stay till the end, I will show you a cool trick to extract images from your digital paper. If you want to create while you watch, you can grab the template in the description below. Let's get into today's training. Okay, so most of you know that I do most of my training on Canva Pro because most of the features these days you really need Canva Pro to be able to use them. Now this paper is my digital paper in the bundle. The link's in the comments below, but you can do this with any paper, whether it's AI paper, any of the digital backgrounds you get in Canva, or any of your own purchased digital backgrounds. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to turn this image here, which is a digital AI paper, created into this as well as into this. This is just some of the gorgeous digital paper that comes with the template bundle, which is this one here. So I click on that and we're going to make it to the full size of the screen. And the reason why I'm not putting it in the background is because you will not see this toolbar at the top if you put it in the background. And this toolbar makes it super fast and quick to recolor. So the main color here is pink, and say my brand color was a mauvey purple and I wanted to be able to use this, or I wanted to create 3 journals but in 3 different colors so that people who like teal will buy the teal one, people who like the mauve will buy the mauve one, and those who like pink will buy the pink one. So you can create one digital product and turn it into multiple products. So we go on the pink color here, and then we're going to make this one teal. See, automatically in 3 seconds, one click, and you have recolored the whole background, and it looks absolutely divine. So let's see what it would look like if we wanted to do it, say, in a mauve color. Look how gorgeous this is. But you can change it too. You can go a darker, you can go this, or you can go the more of a apricot-y, pinky color. So it works with any of the colors. You just choose it till you get what you like. So that's how easy that is to do. Now what we want to do is you can make the background and foreground different colors. So this is where we got this effect here. So if you want to have the background in black and white, I do this a lot because it makes colors pop on the screen. Like if I had this and I made it just, how gorgeous is this if you wanted to have that? And then if you wanted to put a quote on there, you could put a quote on there in the soft pink as well. But it really makes the butterfly look 3D and pop off the screen. So to be able to do that with this one, I haven't separated that. I'm going to show you that at the end. But if you click on this, then all you have to do is go to Edit and go to Adjust. And see at the top it says you can have foreground or background. Let's make the background black and white. So you click on background, come to the bottom here, and you go to the saturation, and you make it 0 or -100. And watch this. Now look at this, it's gorgeous. It's taken anything that was in the background and it's made it black and white, and it kept everything in the foreground and made it the same color. Now that looks absolutely divine. And if I want to change it again and make it back to pink, I can make it pink or I can make it teal. So these are some really cool effects that you can do, and you can do it the other way as well. So if I wanted it to be foreground, then I could go Edit and go Adjust. Is that 0? So I want to make that back to color. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the foreground and white and make that. And there you go. So now you've got the color in the background and the foreground is black and white. So that's another way that you can play with it. What we're going to do with this one is I'm going to show you how easy it is to go from this to this and have a blank page and make it have a lower bottom border. And then I'll show you how to do these 3 bits at the end. So this was the original paper, and instead of cropping it, what I did was I went and typed, you come up to Elements and you type in white fade. I use this a lot. All you do is you grab one that you like, and I'm going to flip it upwards, and then you put it at the top, and then you just drag it down to how far you want it to go. And now you can bring it like this just as far. And now you have all this white area, and if you wanted to, I've already got these lines ready, so I'll just get an example of these. You grab the lines, and then you come across, and now you have lined paper ready to use in your journal. If you want to do something like this, which is super, super simple as well, then you can go and grab this digital paper here, which is the same one, and we'll get rid of that. And then all you need to do is you can crop it. So you take it to, I actually want more of this, so I'm going to flip it. So I'm going to flip it this way, and I'm going to bring it to the part that I really want to show, and then I'm going to crop it like this. Okay, and then you can make it bigger based on the design that you want, like this. I like to use the gold. You can pick any color, and I'll go gold line like that. I'll pick a gold line. This one will do. I'll make it match the color of the image. I'll rotate it like this, and then I'll just make it the length like that, and then just put it next to it. And there it is, finished just like this. And then once again, you can have, the beauty of having the templates is that you've got all these layouts already made, and you just make it to however short it is. So now that you know how easy it is to be able to do that, we're now going to go and I'm going to show you how you can do it with recoloring and changing it by taking out the background. So this one here is this one here. You're not even going to believe it, it's the same one. So what you want to do is we're going to duplicate this one. We're going to use the recolor, and we're going to make it a different color. So I'm going to make that pink into the teal. Actually, I think I made it this one here. Nice light, but we'll make this one a darker teal. So make it the teal. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the background. So I go background remover. So this is why you need to have Pro. And look at this. And then I'm going to crop it down a little bit. Now, if there's something in the image, this is a quick tip that you don't want. Like I don't want these bits here. All you have to do is go Edit and go to the magic eraser and erase it. I don't want these bits up here. So I'm going to erase them, and I don't want those there. If it doesn't come out in the background remover and there's something in there that you don't want, see, now it's gone. Perfect. And then all you have to do, how easy is this? Is I go like this, but I want it on this corner, so I'm just going to flip it. Flip it like that, put it on that corner there, whether I put it there or in the corner. Then I go copy paste, and I just flip it and flip it. And there we go. I've got it in that corner there. And there you've got the white space, and that's how easy it is to make this. Now, and the final thing that I'm going to share with you, I'm going to share with you how you can take items out of the picture and be able to use them in your designs. So, for example, here, I wanted, and you can take them from other images. Like if there was this dragonfly here, and I wanted to put a dragonfly on this picture here or on this picture here, then I can just go and grab the dragonfly out of the digital paper, and then I can just put it here and have it on the flower. How gorgeous is that? So this is what we're going to learn right now. So when you have digital paper, so for this one here, I came to this digital paper. Yes, all of this is included in the bundle, so you can go and grab it. Link is in the description below, or I've got a link at the end of this video. So I want this one here, but I've already taken this, so I'm going to go to a different one. And I want to take this one here, okay? I want a dragonfly, and I want to use it on this image over here. So I'm just going to go, click on the image, and you go Edit, and then you go Magic Grab. So click on Magic Grab. This is why you have to have Canva Pro, because all these good things. And then you click on the image, and you go grab it. And now I can take that image and put it anywhere on the page. So if it was on the page and you wanted to use this space for something else, it's another reason why you grab it. And you can put it lower down on the image, and then you could go and put a beautiful quote in that space now. But I'm just going to copy this here, And then I'm going to take it over to this one here, and I'm going to paste it. Then you can put it somewhere, like in this corner down here, and then I'll just flip it, and there you go. You've got something in that space in your design. And if you want to put another one, you just copy and paste it and put it and flip it the other way, like this. So now you've made your gorgeous stationery look 3D. How cool is that? So you can do that with any image on any page. So that's what I did with this one. And I would go Magic Grab. Now sometimes it's easier if it can. See how it selects the whole lot? And I just want the butterfly. Then what you do is you get the brush. If you just want the butterfly, sometimes it may take out the background. Depends, no two images are the same. But if I just want the butterfly, I grab the butterfly, and then I can move that butterfly wherever I want, and I can duplicate it. So I can move that butterfly. See how it's taken out a little bit of its wings? That's sometimes the downside. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And then I flip it, and then I might make that one a nice teal color. So I can have these anywhere I want, and you can do the same on the flower. And then I can take it, and I might just go back to one of the other designs and say, that's what I did here. I grabbed it, and I could put a butterfly and add it and match the colors that are already on the page, like this. Beautiful. So that's something that you can do. You can do it with flowers, you can do it with elements, you can erase them, you can change the backgrounds, you can change the foreground. So I hope you found this helpful. And if you want to grab the bundle with all these gorgeous paper, then you can go to pambrosman.com/EBK, and I'll have the link in the description below. Now, if you have a question about anything that I've shared today, just leave it below and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. I can't wait to see what you create.